Hi everyone, I'm Fang Li from Winkey. I'm a product manager, and today I will introduce Winkey. Winkey is the biggest company focused on a peptide. We use peptide to anti-wrinkle, to reduce the skin redness, to make the skin more white, and we can solve many different skin problems. So now we have so many peptides we can see in here, and we have focused now. We only do peptide, and we also make some special Chinese traditional plants like the Camellia Squalane. We can use camellia to get the camellia oil, then use the camellia oil to squeeze it to translate into the Camellia Squalane. And we also have some Chinese traditional plant, other plants. Here is our special product, the Camellia Squalane. This one is from the camellia flower, and we use the flower and use this seed, the camellia seed, to get the camellia oil. And use this camellia oil, we can make the Camellia Squalane. And this squalane, we can use it in the serum and use it in the lotion and some other products. It has a better skin experience. It can help you to reduce the water loss. It can use to repair your skin, and you make your skin feel more comfort. This one is very special. And the other one is the traditional Chinese plants like the scalpa and the oleo europa and the radiogla. This one is very special because it can reduce our skin redness within 30 minutes. And only 100% this product can reduce your redness immediately. So this one, you can use it to make this product like this. You will feel very, very comfort. Yeah, that is the traditional Chinese plants product. Yeah, thank you. Here is our special peptide product, the erasing. Erasing can be used to anti-wrinkle and make your skin firming. So we have lots of products. You can use it to make the serum, make the other cream, other products, and you can use to increase our skin collagen, like the type 1, 3, 4, 7, 17. We can increase 5 collagen using only one product. And also we have the very strong effect. It can use to reduce the wrinkle within the 15 minutes. And yeah, it's true. We can test it. If you're interested about this product, please come to here. We can test it, the anti-wrinkle effect. Thank you. And now we have sell our peptide to many famous companies like the Shiseido, like the Unilever, etc. And so, if you're interested about some peptide and interested about traditional Chinese plants, please come to our here. We will give you some best experience.